Okay, I'm back, and now there's another button on your calculator that I would like for you to know where it is. But the good news is you will see up here at the top it's in blue. Okay, so that means that this button is really, really handy, but it's not critical for you if you're in one of my classes. But see if you can find a button that either says X to the Y, or it might be Y to the X, or it might be the caret button. So it's going to be one of those is the one that you want to use. So I'm going to show you how to use it with the X to the Y button. And as you can see, it's right here. So this one says Y to the X, and it doesn't make any difference which button it is. So on here I said X to the Y, but I'm using the Y to the X button. Same thing. So what I want to be able to do is calculate 2 raised to the third power. So what does that mean? It means 2 times 2 times 2. So you're multiplying 2 times itself 3 times. Now you should know what that answer is. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So we're going to press, so let's go ahead and clear this out, and then we're going to press 2, and then press the Y to the X button, and then press 3, and then I need to press equals, and I get 8. And you're saying to yourself, well, I could do that, 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, do this one. So 2 raised to the 3.1 power. Now you can't do it. So you can't take 2 and multiply it by itself 3.1 times. But you can certainly do it by using the Y to the X button. So it's very easy. So it's a very handy button to know where it's at on your calculator. But it's not critical that you be able to use it. Okay, so let's do another one here. This time we want to take the 4th root, so it's not a square root, it's a 4th root of the number 16. Now you should know what that is, okay, because we're trying to find a number that when you multiply it by itself 4 times, it turns out to be a 16. And that would be 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be 16. So we know that the answer ought to be 2, but let's go ahead and verify that. So we're going to clear the calculator. We're going to press 16. Okay, now notice that we need to find the root. So if you go over here to this button, do not press Y to the X, because then that would be raising it, and we want to find the root. So if you notice that right above it is the root thing there, so that we need to press the second function key. So press the shift key over here, and then press the Y to the X button, because that accesses what's above it, and then press 4, and then press equals, and we get 2 like we're supposed to. So it's a very, very handy button for doing calculations with. Okay, let's take a break, and then when we come back we will discuss logarithms.